Alrighty, everybody, we got the dynamic duo true reviews here. Want to give you guys a quick review on how to utilize ViralView to upload your videos directly to YouTube. So it's a couple clicks away. I'm going to show you a few things, so definitely follow along and slow down the video if you are having troubles with this. So it's definitely something to think about. But super simple process. First and foremost, go ahead and pull your storefront up. So if you are using ViralView, click up the link on the top right. Go ahead and pull your storefront up so you can do My Storefront or Creator Studio and then go to Storefront. Either one works. So you want to get your actual storefront up so you can see what it looks like. Now, next thing you want to do is you want to go over to YouTube. You want to make sure you are logged into YouTube. So if you haven't done that yet, go ahead and look at the top right. You should see a circle up on the top right. You click on it. You should see your channel already logged in. If not, you can go down, you can hit switch accounts. You can click switch account. You can see I have other accounts as well. But if not, you are logged into your actual account there and it'll stay logged in for you, which is super, super important to make sure you are there. Now, from the page, what you want to do, I like to go to the Studio Creator, so Creator Studio. So we'll go ahead and just relaunch that page right here. From that side of things, that is where you can see your published videos as well. So very important that you're able to see that. So a couple things you want to do is you have the option to download the items here. So with this, you want to actually select the little arrow. When you select the arrow, it is going to give you an option to do a download for it. So that is one way you can actually make that happen. I recommend to put the title properly on there. So this is going to be the thumbnail for it. So make sure you put a proper title on there. So it's super important. And when you click it twice, you actually will get the thumbnail and you will get the video. So it'll do it both in one. Now, if you are wanting to see it in a different way, you can click and go to your Creator Hub. So it's a secondary way to do that. Creator Hub, you have two different options. So you have download video and you had download thumbnail right there. Now, the easiest way to actually access the YouTube extension over is going to be via the Creator Studio. So keep that in mind. So we're going to be looking at this video here, this battery tester. So we're going to do edit. So we're going to go in here. And then if you have actions, you can click the two options as well too. We're going to hit edit. When you hit the edit button, it's going to pull open your actual video here. It's going to show the ASINs, it's going to show your titles, your saved titles, and everything in between, which is super important. This one doesn't have a parent ASINs, that's why we haven't collected or set it up there. But down below, you'd have your shortcuts. You have your UK, Canada, and then your YouTube shortcut right here. Once you're at this part, you're going to select the YouTube shortcut. So it's going to open up the YouTube Studio, which is super important. Now you're going to go ahead and click and select the file. So we're going to hit the download button and we're going to select the file that we want to upload here. This is going to be the video. So we're going to select this video right here and we're going to hit open. So as it does its opening thing, it's going to start pulling stuff over for you, which is super, super important. It's going to connect to the video itself and it's going to pull in the title and then it's going to slowly pull in the description as well. If you have it set up already, you will have your URL view as well, which is going to give you a proper hyperlink like your Genius link. It's going to pull in the product description and everything in between. Very, very, very easy process. Now, something to note here, if you are doing this, you have templates, so you can edit the templates looking on the far right side of things. So we're going to hit edit template. So this is a template we have. You can use this version. So definitely copy and paste if you want to. This is kind of how we utilize it. I also recommend utilizing little ChatGPT to get a better SEO version as well too. So you can make it customized each and every time you do it. And then you're going to save that link. Once you go ahead and update your title, remember it's 100 characters or less. You have your description. Do keep in mind, you want to make sure you are telling people that you are affiliate link here. That's very important, and make sure it is close to your actual affiliate link in your storefront. You have the option to upload a thumbnail right here, which we have the thumbnail. So let's go ahead and do that. It's going to replace it on the far right side. So very, very easy process there. if you have a playlist, so we use a bunch of playlist stuff. So like this one's going to be car essentials. So we're going to collect car essentials right here. You can put it in a playlist, which I like that. So as somebody is watching a video, if you have similar items, it's going to play a playlist of items for you, which makes it super simple to roll them in products that they're going to be liking versus products that they're not going to be interested in, and then get them off your video channel. Hit the done button. Next thing is it made for kids? 99.999% of these is going to be no, it's not made for kids. We're going to select no. We're going to hit the show more button. We received this as a product, so for a product placement, sponsorship, or endorsement. So we did receive it for free and ask for a video, so we are going to check the paid promotion. You're going to hit no, so we didn't do AI footage or anything else for this. Definitely read through that, make sure you know it. Most 90% of hours, or I'm sorry, 100% of hours are non-version of these because it's a real person and everything, and it follows all these guidelines. So we're going to hit no. It's not altered content. Down below, this is where it's important to use like ChatGPT or Google. You can get some tags. You have up to 500 characters. So this is a car battery tester. Hit enter, and then it's going to drop it in there. So it's commonly misspelled words, commonly utilized phrases. It's going to use tags to find the item, and you have up to 500 characters to use. So car battery, testing, vehicle tester, you know, and just come up with different tags. Now again, that's what we use ChatGPT for. It's super important. We don't touch anything with video language. We don't do anything with captions because we don't have anything that's going to actually put a caption on this stuff. If we did in the future, we would definitely put that on there. It's just something to keep in mind. You're going to notice it's going to do a check in the bottom of this, which is super important. You can change your category. If it's how-to or anything specific, you can adjust it accordingly. Maybe you do other style videos that you want to kind of tune in. It's not just a product placement. That's a place you can do that. Now, next thing, this is super, super important. You want to click the product on the right side. So this is a ViralView item that comes along with a pro plan. You're going to click this link product item on the right side. So once you click that and you actually do everything on the back end, so when you run your storefront check, collects all the ASINs and all the products and stuff like that. Once you click the storefront or the link product, it's actually going to link the YouTube video as well as your other video in the product page, which is super important, and it shows more validity for the people that you are working with, and it gives you a lot more proof of the pudding, in my opinion, and it makes it awesome with regards to getting brand deals and everything else. So you're going to hit link product. You can search it as well via the media link, so you can do that as well. That's something to keep in mind. You're going to hit the next button. So down at the bottom, you're going to hit next. If you want to, you can add an end screen here. It's super common for people to add an end screen, maybe a QR code, maybe puts the picture of the product or something like that. You can make that happen if you want to. You can import or add. We don't do anything like that personally. That's just not how we run it, but that's just something to keep in mind. Hit the next button. You want to get 2 green check boxes here. That means there's no copyright or community guidelines issues. Keep in mind, they're very picky on music. So if there's anything going on in the background, even a TV show or something like that, you could get copyrighted. So you don't want to do that because it can really affect future monetization of your channel. Hit the next button. So this is where you're going to actually publish it. So it is going to stay private. If you save things, it'll stay private. You have unlisted and publish, and then you can also schedule it to be published on a specific date. Now, keep in mind, you don't want to publish things too quickly. That can alter your performance on YouTube. So sometimes you can schedule to publish these 30 minutes from now and stuff like that. And keep that in mind. Or you can just keep it unpublished and then do one and then come back and republish the next one and then the next one, 5, 10, 15, 30 minutes later, depending on how it works for you. But for this one, we haven't added any here today. So we're going to go ahead and do public and hit publish here. So pretty simple process. It's going to give you a video link so you can share it however you want to. So various things you're able to do, shareable link, Facebook, WhatsApp, X, all that stuff comes available here for the actual link itself. And then you hit the close button. Next thing, you can see the views on the video, so on real time, and make an adjustment to it, which is super important. So it's right there, rip roaring, ready to go for you. I'm definitely dig that aspect. If for whatever reason you need to make any adjustments to that video, you can click this little blue pencil that pops up. When you do that, it's going to load up similar videos and go back in to make adjustments to it as well. So that's something to keep in mind. It does take a minute sometimes to do this. So you can see all the products if you want to tag them and everything. So that's a place you can do that. We can go here, click the video, and then go back in, and it will give you the ability to link more products and go through the whole process again. Guys, once you got this is a huge way to get offsite stuff. So it's a proper way to make that happen. So again, set up your templates in YouTube Studios. That's important. That's going to be tagged through ViralView. So set up those templates so it will queue right over for you, pulls all the product data and information, and has it ready for you. So if you have any questions, we utilize this all the time. It's a great feature to be able to make sure we're expanding on more than one platform. You definitely got to check out ViralView for their YouTube extension plugin feature that they have that changes the whole game for you. So check it out.